Here at Flying Dog, having an open house. We're going to be having plenty of beers. It looks like they have plenty on tap to share with us. So hopefully we'll be taking a tour here a little bit later on too.
We're excited.
All right, we're going upstairs. No, I'm not looking at her butt. Sorry. You get to be on my video. What's your name?
My name is Heather. I'm the
Say
Virginia
hi,
State
Heather.
Manager. Hello.
Are you prepared to answer all of our questions?
What I can, and if I can't, then the brewers will.
All right.
Okay. This is our brewing area. As you can see here, we have 2 brew kettles. We have a lotto time and our gas mixer. Outside this funnel, we actually mill a lot of our own grain. So the grain will go through, we'll add it to the mash. Any of the specialty grain we have, you see all these bags behind us, this is specialty grain. So we have our base grain that we mill ourselves, and then we have our specialty grain. So if we make gonzo, we'll use the chocolate or the black, and then make it darker, heavier, to that flavor. With our Oktoberfest, we brought in special malt from Germany, so that was special for that. Anything special will be kept over there. Basically, Flying Dog has been around almost 20 years. 2010 will be our 20th year anniversary. We're going to come out with the beer that you're tasting today, the Raging Bitch Belgian IPA. We started in Colorado, in Aspen, as a tiny little brew pub. Then we became a brewery, moved to Denver, and then in 2006 we bought this facility and we've been brewing here. When we're making the beer, basically, you can probably look inside if you want. The first thing we need to do is we need to make our wort. Our wort is basically sugar and enzymes that we pull out of the malt. So that's done in this. It's kind of hard to see. I don't know if you're going to see much, but basically you see those little, there's water that's pouring down. It's hot water pouring down on top of the malt. The malt, and then on the bottom of it, it's almost like a colander. So the water goes through and the actual malt stays on the bottom. And that's what's called sparging. And that's how we make our wort.
Oh, what?
Sparging, we sparge it with hot water, and then some gonzo, that's what that is. We're doing a lot of that right now because we'll be introducing it shortly. So this will be our 2010 gonzo, barrel-aged gonzo, which just won.
How long are they in the barrel?
Yes. Sorry?
How long are they in the barrel?
It depends. I guess it depends on the strongness of the batch. Usually I would say 90 days at least.
Where do you get your barrels from?
We get them from George Stranahan Whiskey, which George Stranahan is also one of our owners. He
Oh,
started
cool.
our brewery. So
Very
we also
nice.
started a distillery out in Colorado called George Stranahan Whiskey. So it's Colorado whiskey barrels.
All right. All right. All right. Get some action.
Purchase it.
Man.
Oh yeah, this is a whole
Say hi.
We have 39.
39 fermentation tanks.
Called 40, so we're almost at capacity.
Nice.
Labeler is. We can do 250 bottles per minute.
Wow.
Yeah. So
Who's in charge of cleaning these windows? I can't see nothing.
it's kind of buggy right now because I've been working.
So where does the beer come in?
The beer comes in from over here. It comes in from over here.
The lab. Probably a little yeast culturing going on in there. That just totally looks fun in there. Ooh, look, it's all on fire. Ha, I get it. See, that's how my kitchen's painted. I think they're making a little batch or something.
That's all the CO2 that's being released when they do the paper thing. If you feel that they're cold, they're covered in glycol jackets, hold them down to the fermentation temperature that we want. Most of the beers that flavor ales,
bottling. Look at that. Fresh off the assembly line, man. Little heavy bison right there. Ooh, look at that freaky looking woman.
Yeah, it's very small scale. We don't do a lot of it.
Got a little music going right now. The outside picking. Few employees out here.